Hello and welcome to our sustainability talk. My name is Kerstin Hase. I'd like to welcome you at Heidelberg. I also want to welcome my colleague Harald Wörner, who is the expert for sustainability at Heidelberg. Hello Harald.
Hi Kerstin.
Harald, the carbon footprint of a company is the record of all the emissions it generates in a year. Now, where do the emissions come from in the printing process?
Without doubt, most come from paper and cardboard, which are responsible for up to 90% of carbon dioxide emission.
So that means saving paper and board waste protects the environment and it saves costs.
That's perfect, isn't it? So, lots of our innovations achieve these two things at the same time: cost effectiveness and eco-friendliness. Let's take a look at Prenect Impress Control, our color and register control system. As soon as the required color is achieved, it automatically starts on the fly the good sheet counter on the Speedmaster. This saves time and paper and board waste.
So automation improves cost efficiency and makes systems much more sustainable.
Yes, because automation saves resources. On the Speedmaster, our intelligent assistants do this as well. They collect setting and quality data and use software algorithms to analyze the effects. Thus, the press learns how to optimize itself. One good example is the Color Assistant Pro, our self-learning color presetting system. It checks the value from the color control system and directly adjusts the color presetting profiles.
That creates ideal conditions for fast make ready and minimal waste, and means that artificial intelligence leads to continuous improvement. Also and especially for the environment. And does that also apply to other assistant systems?
Yes, for example, the washer assistant. The system constantly monitors the degree of soiling in the printing unit and automatically chooses the right washer program for blanket, impression cylinder and inking unit. This saves time and chemicals, especially because operators mostly like to use the maximum program. But you are on the safe side even if the system chooses shorter programs.
And it's the same for Powder Assistant.
Exactly. This system also chooses the optimum setting for each individual job. Usually that uses less powder. The sheets don't stick together and the machine stays clean. All these functions work together for maximum effect. Let's have a look at the navigation on the Wallscreen XL with IntelliStart. It compares the current machine settings with the settings for the next job and generates an optimized job change program.
What are the benefits?
Producing print jobs with similar properties in terms of substrates, coatings, inks, etc., one after the other, saves operating steps by up to 70%. This reduces potential errors and the amount of resources being used, of course. This is extremely sustainable.
In packaging, another important area is surface finishing. There is a trend right now for inline surface finishing with cold foil as an alternative to full coverage aluminum laminated sheets.
That's true. And cold foil is better for the environment too. Applying aluminum to only part of the sheet means there's less aluminum on the substrate and therefore less aluminum in circulation, which is better for the environment.
Saving resources is a key element, and choosing the right consumables can have a big effect on the company's environmental impact.
Right. Companies can choose environmentally friendly products like the ones in our Saphira Eco product line. These products meet lots of sustainability criteria. They are low in emissions and wherever possible they are based on renewable raw materials and they are good for recycling the end product. Yet again, ecology and economy go hand in hand.
Okay, thank you, Harald. Today we have looked at many ways to reduce the carbon footprint in the printing process and reduce the environmental impact. In our next sustainability talk, we will look at carbon neutral equipment and what role it can play. Thank you very much for being with us. We hope to see you again next time. Bye bye and stay well.